Hey everyone! Welcome back to Skin Whisper, your ultimate guide to natural beauty and skincare tips. If you are tired of spending a fortune on anti-aging creams or treatments, you've come to the right place. Today, we are diving into some amazing DIY remedies to help reduce wrinkles and fine lines naturally. So grab your notepad because these tips will have you glowing in no time. Let's get started. Before we jump into the remedies, let's quickly understand why wrinkles and fine lines form in the first place. As we age, our skin loses elasticity due to decreased collagen production. Factors like sun exposure, dehydration, stress, and even sleep positions can accelerate this process. But don't worry, you don't have to sit back and let time take its toll. With a little effort and natural ingredients, you can reduce their appearance and improve your skin's texture. The first and most crucial step to combating wrinkles is hydration. Drinking at least 8 glasses of water daily can work wonders for your skin. Additionally, incorporating hydrating foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges into your diet will help maintain your skin's elasticity. Here's a quick recipe for a hydrating face mist. Mix 1 cup of rose water, a tablespoon of aloe vera gel, and a few drops of vitamin E oil. Store it in a spray bottle and use it throughout the day for an instant refresh. One of my favorite masks is a banana and honey mask. Mash 1 ripe banana, add a teaspoon of honey, and a teaspoon of yogurt. Apply it to your face and let it sit for 15–20 minutes. Bananas are rich in vitamins that improve skin elasticity, while honey locks in moisture. Natural oils like coconut oil, argan oil, and rosehip oil are your best friends when it comes to reducing fine lines. These oils are loaded with antioxidants and essential fatty acids that repair and hydrate the skin. Before bed, warm a few drops of your favorite oil between your palms and gently massage it into your skin. Focus on areas like the forehead, around the eyes, and mouth. This not only nourishes your skin but also improves blood circulation, giving you a natural glow. Apart from topical remedies, your lifestyle plays a significant role in maintaining youthful skin. Here are some quick tips. Wear sunscreen every day, even when it's cloudy. Get at least 7–8 hours of sleep every night. Practice stress-reducing activities like yoga or meditation. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. And there you have it, simple, affordable, and natural remedies to keep those wrinkles and fine lines at bay. Remember, consistency is key, so make these tips a part of your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest beauty tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Stay glowing!